wanna play my DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
What's good, Don Mafia gang? We back in this bitch with another banger. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, gang, we're back in the music lab, and today we there with Father Dippo himself, Mr. North Carolina, Mr. Senti. If the client not pay me, may drive good on a cent. I don't know what I talk about already. We're there with Father Dippo himself, man, Mr. Madot himself. Look, I can catch seeing. We don't know where we're going. But yeah, man, we're there with Valiant. Yeah, man, and he dropped this drop a track and video like a few hours ago entitled Sweepstakes. We're gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with. Yeah, man, Valiant back in the spotlight. I drop another tune, and this hour in about 2-3 weeks now. I'm gonna drop a video. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, drop another one today. We're gonna check it out and see what Father Dippo I deal with. I don't know. Valiant always doing things, my talent and everything. You know what I'm saying? I always come with some creative thing. And this song is entitled Sweepstakes. I don't familiar. Did he drop this already and he just dropped in the video? Did he drop this song already? And just drop a video for it? I'm pretty sure, you know what I'm saying? But I don't remember, I don't think I've listened to it as yet. But we're gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with. Yeah, man. So yeah, before we jump in the track, guys, make sure, live by the code. Code is life. I don't know what time it is. That Mafia code is life. So code up, you know what I'm saying? And if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, you don't know what the code is. Yeah, man. The code is over here. If you're watching the video, like the video. And if you're new, you're subscribing. That's the code we live by. And code is life. So let's do the right thing, man. Do the right thing. Yeah, man. Yeah, that is it. So yeah, man, guys. And also check the description. You're going to see the link to our Discord. Did I mention this already? I don't know. Check the link in the description. You're going to see the link to our Discord. You know what I'm saying? You can go over there and join the Discord. You get early previews of videos. You get notified when videos drop. You get live schedules. You can do song requests during lives and before lives, content ideas, prizes and surprises. So prizes and surprises. So definitely join the Discord, become part of the family. You already know what this is, gang. Yeah, man, like me say, we'll jump right another one and Father Dippo back with another video and another song. Sweepstakes. That's what I gotta deal with. Let's get it.
El Chapo no records. You just believe.
Boy, Valiant for your ugly youth. You know, dog, you live life. From what day in the morning, you out there, man. 2 nights sitting in the puppy in bed and next one come call on. From your boss, you live life, don't it? Jaja.
As me wake up, dog, I'm gonna pre-dollar.
Rebel, I rock with you. You feel me? Yeah, man. I fuck with Rebel, bro. No cap. You know what I'm saying? Rebel, she vibes and she look alright. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Running them active on the lead shit and
but that dancer, Rebel bad though. I'll give her that. As a choreographer and a dancer. Easy no more. Easy no man. Yeah, man. No, like Rebel because she take the dancing thing like our artists take them singing on them thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. The only thing I wish though, for like dancers, there was more like dancers need more competition and more like, if dancers need to learn for show them show a dancing show. So if the dancers know how to come together and show on a dancing show, or they make money, you know, they can go tour like artists too, you know. Yeah, man, your friend, if you know, man, I shouldn't get the right management. You know what? That's another one coming under the umbrella of my, you know, I don't want to even know some of a corporation, multiple umbrellas coming. I want myself, man. I plan for no blood, like I don't have ideas of this. But yeah, man, Rebel doing her thing, bro. As a dancer, she mad though, and she take her shit serious. You know what I'm saying?
Cybercrime make me mission not again.
Cybercrime and mission
It's there.
Easy no?
Money getting your facts. Not check the price.
That's money get anything you want, man. That's facts, bro. You want a house on the car, and you want a bitch. You can't get it, money. Get it.
Let's just run a credit card. Max. Caught up my client,
motion. You know what I'm saying? I like when I do the Jamaican dance in a slow motion. Come on. Like some waltzing type.
Give me that.
Easy.
Lord Sweepstakes, Lord Sweepstakes. Dance. Cyber crime make me snap heavy. Millions make it stay.
Yeah. Millions of make each day, my youth. Cyber crime make man a meet in the game. Oh my God, I'm not listening to camera. I can't go on so. I'm going to slap it. Hey.
Snap. Money get anything you want. Not check the prices, run a credit card. Millions of
man, no check the price, just run the credit card, brother. You see me? Man, I make money out here. You see me? Yeah, man.
shoot the Lord Sweepstakes, Lord Sweepstakes. Cyber crime, make me millions.
Hey, me like the one. It's a different type of chopper song. You man, I sing it like a blood clean. A slow song. You know what I'm saying? Like cyber crime, give me anything. You know what I'm saying? It's a different one. This song sounds familiar. It's a sample of one Timberland beat. I can't know what it is. Is it just Timberland? It's the no, bro. This is a Timberland sample. I know this for a fact. I think this is a sample of a Justin Timberlake song, bro. No cap. Comment in the comment section. That mafia gang, I know one of y'all gonna know what I'm talking about. Cause y'all know music. Comment in the comment section. Let me know, bro. It's a Timberland sample, but I can't remember if it's a Justin Timberlake. You know that Justin Timberland collab, man. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I can see my toes in the sand. No. I can see my future side by side. I know. You can listen to the background. I know what I'm talking about. I can't hear it. It's a Timberland beat. And they slowed it up and you see that. That's what you hearing. Bro, whoever made this beat, you sick. You dope as hell, bro, for this one, bro. No cap, bro. Easy, no rebel. I look for me so you're on the screen. I have a girlfriend. Leave me alone. Sure. No one here, rebel. I'm gonna talk twistly. Sure.
If I'm a King Cam shoot this, it's not shoot good, brother.
King Cam, you did your thing, bro, on the visuals. You know what I'm saying? Whoever made the beat, you did a great job, my G. And I know that's a Timberland sample, so don't lie to me. You know what I'm saying? Down Mafia gang, let me know in the comment section, bro. Was that my damn Timberland sample? I'm tripping. I know it's a Timberland sample. I know it's from that Justin Timberlake damn song, bro. Go listen to that beat and go listen to that one, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying, gang? But yeah, man, real dope track from Father Dippo himself. You know what I'm saying, Valiant. Out here doing this thing, man. I guess he's back on like dropping content grind now. You know what I'm saying? He did a live performance for. He did a live performance, not for Model, for Expensive, I believe it was. So let me know if you guys want to do a reaction to that. I see he did a live performance of Expensive, or like one of them colors or lyrical lemonade type shit. So let me know if you want to see a reaction to that. Also, you know what I'm saying, and let me see if you guys want more freestyles and shit like that. Let me know, man, and make sure you go check it out, dog. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Real dope tracks been dropping. Be a content in our music right now. I'm loving it. You know what I'm saying? Enough more freestyles and things like them that come in. So let me know what you want to request, any specific ones, and I'll get it done. You don't know what time it is, yo. And also, guys, let me know what's your favorite part in the comment section. If you like it, go show the artists some love and support. Let them know it's Jambisco and send you. And let them know so it's strong over here. You don't know. Yeah, man. Drop a request. Also, you don't know. Code up. I say code is live, guys. You don't know what time it is. Hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, you don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here now hitting and smashing a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Take care of yourself and each other. See you. Love you guys.